Uh, well, I'd love to find out. We ask every guest the same questions, Rich, before they go, and I would love to find out your answers to them. And the first one we always ask is about this idea of a miss. And has there been a miss or two along the way, and something you've learned from it?
Yeah, I think the miss that comes to mind is one that I've realized very recently, and that was a miss of not hiring people onto my team sooner. I I always had a very perfectionistic frame of mind, and the idea of relinquishing control of my baby, my business, to somebody else was really scary for me. And in the past year, I've kind of ignored it and then gotten over it and worked through that and gotten to the point where I could build a team. And what we can produce now and what I can now do with my company, because I have a team behind me who can complement the things that I can't do, that can take over things that I don't want to do, and just help me grow and scale my own business. Yeah, I know I can remember people telling me when I started out 3 years ago to hire a team, and I never said did it. I kind of ignored it, but like, that's I'm not there yet. I need to wait. And if that was a huge miss on my part, if I had took that advice and gone, okay, I get it, you know, I would be in a completely different place right now, and I feel like that place would be towards the positive.
Yeah, yeah, that's a big lesson that I hear very very common, where resistance to add people,
Hmm.
relinquish control, myself included. I'm in that camp. I've
Right.
been there. I I remember going through that myself, so I appreciate that.